Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a DIY unicorn birthday party. My niece just turned 7 and she told me she was wanting to have a unicorn birthday, so I decided to try to mix in some things that I did myself and some store-bought stuff. So I think it's pretty like 50-50 stuff that I got at the store and stuff that I made, and I have some ideas that I came up with or I found on like Pinterest and places like that to share with you too. So first I'm going to start with little photo props, and I got this photo background at the Dollar Tree because she also likes princess stuff, so I thought, well, it would be cute to have like a castle kind of and kind of like unicorn princess type stuff, so I got that. And I made these props out of foam, and then I just used like crafting skewers and taped it to the back to kind of use as like the prop. So I did the crowns to go with the castle, and then I did a shooting star and a shooting heart, and I did 2 little mustaches and 2 pairs of glasses and like a rainbow thing, and then a I love unicorns and a pair of lips and ice cream cone. So I just used like regular foam paper and just drew what I wanted and cut it out that way, because they had a lot of these at the store, but I wanted different kinds. So the ones that I found there that they already had, I'd have had to buy like 3 different packs to get all the ones that I wanted, plus I was wanting more that they didn't have in there, so I went ahead and just made them. It was actually fun for me to do. I actually really enjoyed doing that. And the next thing that I'll talk about is I bought these little unicorn headbands. I have one of them on right now, but I bought these instead of party hats. I'm going to go ahead and just pass these out. And I think I got them at the Family Dollar maybe, but I know they were 3 for $1, so really reasonably priced. And then I made these, and let me just grab one. I got foam stars that are like stickers, like star stickers, and I just stuck them together and put the crafting skewer in the middle, and then just put some ribbon down there too to just make little wands. This side is white and blue, and this side is purple and yellow. And this was really easy to make. This took me like no time to make. So if this is something that your kids would like, I recommend making these. It was really simple. Kids could make this. And then next, I wanted to do a like pin the horn on the unicorn. So I went ahead and drew this, and her name is Ellie, but I went ahead and drew this, and I made it look this way because I want her to be able to keep it and put it in her room. So that's why I actually, drew, collared the horn and put her name and everything. But there's this, and then I just took my leftover foam that I had from that and just cut it and made it look like horns, and we're just going to use like a piece of Scotch tape and then just stick them on there. So hopefully it will come off easy and not like rip it or anything. But yeah, that's what I did. And I just drew a unicorn, and then I just put hearts and then her name, like, and all the rainbow stuff, But I had to use 2 separate pieces of paper and tape them together because it wasn't big enough. I started drawing and then I was like, oh wait, the horn's gonna go off the side, so I went ahead and just taped those 2 together. And next I'll show you this. This is actually a BoxyCharm box that I repurposed to turn it into like the unicorn box. I've actually been looking for ways to reuse these boxes because I don't just want to throw them away because I don't want to waste stuff. So this was a really good idea. I love that I thought about this. But I basically just took a piece of construction paper and And then I just took some of these puppy stickers and just wrote out adopt a unicorn. And then I went to, I think I got these from the Dollar General, and they were only like $1 a piece. So I just bought like a bunch of like cute little unicorns for them to take home with them. So I love this idea. I had an idea like this years ago for my son's birthday, but his was like monsters, because he liked this show. I think it used to be on PBS. It was called like Math Monsters or something. He loves math, but it was just like little monsters that did math. So he would like that, and I couldn't find anything for it really. So I actually made little monster stuffed animals and did like adopt a monster. So instead of that, this time I was actually able to find these in the store, and it's just adopt a unicorn. So I'm using that idea again. So, but I love this idea, and I think kids will love it too. I turned her gift boxes into a unicorn. I love this idea that I had for doing this. Her gifts are in this box and this one right here. And I just took wrapping paper and I put some of the stuff in the smaller one and some stuff in the bigger one. So I just took the wrapping paper and put it over everything. And these are two little, like little miniature cereal boxes. I just stacked two of them together, taped them, and then wrapped them too. And then I used some of my extra foam to make the horn. And I just twisted it up into the horn. And this is construction paper. And basically almost all of this is paper, and then the ribbon. I just took, wrapping ribbon and just made the hair and then made the tail. Super easy to do. Oh, this down here is construction paper too. This was easy to do, and I had fun doing it. She is gonna love this. I am so excited for her to see this. My daughter has been wanting to play with it this whole time. I've been having to keep my daughter from messing with this. But I just put that, and then I put in the front just a little heart that said happy birthday, Ellie. So I am so happy, and I'm so happy with how this turned out, and I'm so excited for her to see it. Almost just want to tape her reaction to actually seeing this. She's gonna love this. But this was super easy, and if this is something your kids would like, that would be a great thing to do. It was very inexpensive, and you could actually use this as like decorations too, not just gifts, but decorations as well. Oh, and if you didn't have the small cereal boxes, you could take paper towel rolls and use that for the legs. I almost did that, but I had those small cereal boxes. I'm like, well, might as well use them. So this one here is a pinata. I was actually going to make her a pinata out of cardboard and have it like the number 7 and then have it kind of looking like a unicorn. But she liked this so much, I just went ahead and bought it. And I think I bought this at the Dollar General too. I got a lot of this stuff at the Dollar General. A lot of this stuff was bought on one trip, so. But this was reasonably priced. I think it was only like $12 maybe. 12 or 15, something like that. But anyway, this is what she wanted, so that's what I bought. Now I will say, just a heads up, it doesn't hold a whole lot of candy. I think the only spots that you can really put candy in is like this base part right here. So I really had to stuff the candy in there, and it was kind of a pain because it's just like this little spot right down here that you put candy in, like that little hole. Which I have to take that. I have to take that back up tonight. But this is her pinata. I might some other time do a tutorial on how to make the cardboard pinatas in like different numbers or something like that. Whatever I think would be a good theme to do that with. So I might have that video showing how to do one of those sometime in the near future. I got this banner, and I just liked it because it was like sparkly pink, and then I don't know if you can see this, but it's like iridescent, whatever that is. Anyway, it was like that color. and I will show you in a minute why I picked that. I wanted to get this because it matched the loot bags. It's kind of like that same thing. Maybe you can see it. But I like that because I thought it kind of went with like the unicorn kind of theme. So I got these. And I made these for the cupcakes. I'm doing 2 sets of cupcakes, and these are just the ones that are going to have the topper. So I had little unicorn stickers, and I used some of the foam. I just cut it into circles and put the little unicorn stickers. And then I had those long toothpicks, and this is crafter's tape, and I just took it around there and just taped it all together, and it made these little cute toppers. And I wasn't planning on having cupcake toppers at first, so this is kind of something I just came up with spur of the moment, but I think they turned out really cute. So these are simple to make, they're cheap, like this stuff I already had, so I would recommend doing this. This is for the other cupcakes I'm doing. Now I'm not doing a cake like this, I'm doing like a pull apart cupcake shaped like a unicorn, but I'm going to use the horn part of it and then one of the ears. And I like this so much. I made a horn for the cupcake thing, but I like this one better, so I went ahead and just got it. I'm super, super excited to do this. This will be the first time I've made pull apart cupcakes in the shape of a unicorn. I might go ahead and at the end of this video put in a picture of what the cupcakes look like, so you guys can see it too. So you guys can see this actually being used and these actually being used. I went ahead and got these. They're kind of foil cupcake liners. I went ahead and got these collars. I was wanting to get purple, but they didn't have purple, so I just got the hot pink, turquoise, light pink, and blue. And then I just got these regular balloons. They kind of match all the colors of the unicorns and stuff, so I just went ahead and got these. Because kids, they don't really care about like special kind of balloons, they just like regular balloons. All the kids in my family, so we just get regular balloons. And then she has 2 candles. I bought this one for her that says 7, and then her dad got her this one because he was wanting one of those, and they're the kind you light and then they open and spin around. He was wanting to see this, so he went ahead and got her this one too. So she's probably just gonna have both. Because my son is already past 7, and then my daughter won't be 7 for another few years. So by that time, this will get lost. So I'm just gonna use it. And then we got some of these. They're the little like party blower things, and we just got they were around the same color scheme, so that's why I got these. Send the kids outside with those. And then last but not least is just the napkins and tablecloth. Just the stuff we got at the store. And here's and I think these came from the Dollar General too, because they actually had a lot of their birthday stuff 25% off. So I went there and got these. There was some at like Walmart and other places, but since they were 25% off, I just went ahead and went there and got these. But here's the plates, and here's the napkins. And then the tablecloth is basically just what these look like. And if I'm not mistaken, I think that this tablecloth is actually, the print is all over it and not just on the sides. Hopefully, I hope so. But I think it is. I think it's all the way around. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful in some way. This is just what I do for different birthday parties. I didn't make like a photo. I usually make like big photo props, but since she was wanting like a little bit of like princessy stuff in there, and I got that background, that castle background, I didn't do a big photo thing. So this is just what I decided to do, you know, stuff my niece would like. So I hope you found this helpful and that you can be able to use some of this stuff in the parties that you want to throw. And I think it's pretty easy to make most of the stuff that I made, so anybody should be able to do it. So I really encourage everyone to get creative and do this kind of stuff. It's a lot of fun for me, and I hope you guys have just as much fun doing it as I did. And thank you for watching. Bye!